Understanding Bad Dream, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to delve into the world of dreams, specifically focusing on the phrase, bad dream. Dreams are a common human experience, and understanding how to talk about them is an important part of mastering English. So, whether you've had a scary dream yourself or you just want to improve your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. First, let's take a closer look at the phrase, bad dream. This phrase is made up of two words, bad, which is an adjective meaning unpleasant, harmful, or of poor quality, and dream, which is a noun referring to a series of thoughts, images, and sensations that occur in a person's mind during sleep. When put together, a bad dream refers to a dream that is unpleasant or frightening. Now that we know what a bad dream is, let's talk about how we can use this phrase in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. I had a bad dream last night and couldn't go back to sleep. 2. My little sister woke up crying because of a bad dream. 3. Sometimes, eating too close to bedtime can cause bad dreams. In these examples, bad dream is used to talk about an unpleasant experience during sleep, and it's clear from the context that the person experienced fear or discomfort. It's also useful to know some similar phrases that can be used in place of bad dream. One common alternative is nightmare, which refers specifically to a very frightening or unpleasant dream. While all nightmares are bad dreams, not all bad dreams are intense enough to be considered nightmares. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, bad dream. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this common English expression. Remember, dreams are a normal part of sleep, and being able to talk about them is a great way to improve your English skills. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and sweet dreams tonight!